I have done Bachelor of Computer Application. I find out Crio from Google. I was looking for a proper guidance which help to become a software developer. And in college, teachers don't focus so much on the things which we need to take care while starting a project. I learned so many things like how to start a project from scratch, how to collect the requirements, and what are the front-end technologies and back-end technologies we need to use in particular projects, and how to structure a code base in a proper way, how to write meaningful code. I saw a lot of improvements in my coding style before joining Crio. I didn't know that how to start a project and what are the project structure. Okay, but after doing this Crio program, I started to focus on writing meaningful code, clean code, and how to convert logic into actual code. It helps me to build my confidence that I can also do some projects. I can also start project from scratch. It also helps to develop my confidence that I can write meaningful code